What's up, guys? It's me in another Zero video. And yes, that's Miles Murph. And right now it's 3 a.m. And my mom is still awake. If you can hear this. Actually, you can't because of the TV. And it almost ran out of power, so I can't really play it low. And yeah. Oh yeah, and next week I'm going on vacation. I will be recording the plane ride. It's going to be my first time actually going here and going out the city because I never went on an airplane or out the city before. And I'll have to be recording on my phone and not my iPad only because I don't think my iPad will make it. So, yeah. Okay. Oh. Hello? You shouldn't have no more nicer stuff.
You serious, Uncle Aaron? I'm telling you, man, it's science. So walk up to her.
Yeah, we don't have any mice, so it can't be that. I don't really see anything that could have fell. Okay, that was a little weird, but especially weird stuff does happen a lot. I would be that kid to just run back into the room and be with my mom, but I don't understand here. Be a little challenging, yeah? Maybe get a little scared. Okay, yeah, I saw something, but no. Okay, so back what I was saying. I don't think I'm really going to be doing anything for this video. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. and I could do a challenge, but I don't really have any in my mind. That's my new toy. I got it from Easter. It's a unicorn. I could show you some of my baby pictures. Actually, nah. Alright, let me find something that we could do. Nope, nothing. We can do nothing. I could watch TV, but I don't think you guys would like it. Okay, now this is getting a little weird. I'm gonna just hide it. I'm a little scared. Yes, I don't. I don't hear anything. I think I'm gonna. I don't see anything that's out of place. And it sounded like it was me, but like, what could have fell? Like, there's nothing on the floor except that. That been on the floor for a lot of days. What could have fell? It couldn't be that because it wouldn't be that loud. There's like scratches. Oh yeah, that's actually from. It's actually from the carpet. I don't really know what to do. There is weird stuff happening. Ooh, I fell. Naturally, yeah, that would work out so well. But I could, or I could not go. Alright, I'm going back in the closet. so creepy. Alright. I'm going in my little play area thing. I'm gonna put you guys right there. Put you guys right there. Oh, oh yeah. For all of you guys that have a Nintendo and you guys play Fortnite, you might want to pause this video and follow this. You might want to pause this video and do this because you can actually get Joker thing, and if I could find my Nintendo I could show you. But yeah, you can do that, and then you follow the instructions if you don't know how to add Fortnite, if you even have Fortnite, and yeah. Okay. So, let me see. What is that? Hello? Alright, this is a little creepy. Okay, that was me this time. That time. Well. It sounded like he was in the bathroom, but not really. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm a little scared now. So I might just go back to my room with my phone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have my phone. I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Weird stuff is happening, weird noise I can't see, and that looks like there's nothing. And there really is something, and I don't know what to do. So I know that you guys have to hear that. What was that? What was that? Am I focused now? You know what? I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna take the cursed notebook that has all the cursed stuff writings on it. And I'm gonna bring it to my room. There I have it. I'm gonna what happened? Now I have to just go close the lights. The baddest part is it's over there and over there. So which way should I go? The one that's literally kind of next to my room, or all the way down there where the noise are coming from? Yeah. So no, I'm not going to the noise where they're coming from. I'll just go here. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to go there. Okay. Back in my room with my mom that wanted me to go to the noise. So I
but she was a big scaredy cat, so.
I'm not a scaredy cat.
Sorry if you tell your YouTube friends that you're a scaredy cat.
I'm not. And if I was, then I would tell them. But I'm not. So Ha ha ha. I'm just gonna put this house book. I'm not scaredy cat, Mom. I can hear your breath.
Raising a child is more a matter of faith than what people know.
I'm not scaredy cat, Mom.
I think I realized
I have
something
to put
today.
these stuff away.
Yeah, you do.
My job is
You do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going back upstairs. So, yeah, call me scaredy cat if you want, Mom. And I'm not going to back out there. Because there was a lot of weird noises.
I wonder from who?
From you, maybe. Just trying to scare me.
Delicious.
Oh, there's a white one. This is why you don't have people have birth. Okay. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this video. So, come next week, I am going to a vacay. So, see you later, guys, and remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Mom! You little rude much. Rudy pants. Give me a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs down. Don't listen to my mom. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And see you later.